guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see first impression and unboxing of Vicks Vaporub. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that like button. Without wasting any time, let's start. Today I have Vicks Vaporub product with me. You will able to see that they have used quite attractive packaging to attract the consumer. They have given that it relieves 6 cough and cold symptoms. It has menthol, camphor and eucalyptus oil in it. The net weight of this product is 25 ml. Now let's see what they have given on the right side of the packaging. Cold, cough and cold relief for your family. Apply on chest, throat and back for relief from 6 cough and cold symptoms. Breathing difficulty, body ache, cough, blocked nose, headache and muscular stiffness. Start feeling relief in 5 minutes from cough, blocked nose and breathing difficulty. If you want to take steam, then you have to follow this step. They have given here steam inhalation process. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons to bowl of hot water, not boiling. Cover your head with towel. Lean over bowl to form tent. Gently inhale for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat up to 3 times per day. So if you want to take steam, then you can follow this process. Now let's see what they have given on the left side of the packaging. Here they have used cautions. Use as directed. For external use only. Don't take by mouth or place in nostrils. Keep out of reach of children. Consult the doctor if over 1 week, or if used by children below 2 years, or if pregnant or breastfeeding. Don't use an broken or damaged or bandaged skin. Steam inhalation. Don't heat or reheat using stove or microwave. Vapor up together with water. So once you have taken the steam inhalation, you have to throw this water out. Steam inhalation is suitable for use on adult and children 6 years. Supervise children to avoid scalding. Each gram contains extract, pudina, kapoor, nilgiri tel, excipients, pine and thymol and base. Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. Made in India, manufactured by Gillette Diversified Operations Private Limited. Basically, they have given manufacturer's address and it's marketed by Procter & Gamble Hygiene and Health Care Limited, Mumbai. They have even mentioned their manufacturing license number. This product is manufactured in June 2021 and it is going to expire in May 2023. The cost of this product is 85 rupees and the net quantity of this product is 25 ml. They haven't given anything. Now I am going to open this product for you and we will see how it looks from inside. This is how product looks from inside. While taking steam inhalation, you have to take 2 tablespoons of this Vicks Vaporub and don't use that water again and again. Once you take steam inhalation, then throw that water out. Even you can use this Vicks Vaporub for headache. That's all in this video guys. This was the first impression and unboxing of Vicks Vaporub. Do let me know your thinking in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.